Impressing your crush can be fun and rewarding. Here are some tips. 1. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Show your true personality and interests. 2. Listen actively. They talk. Ask questions. Pay attention when they talk. Ask questions and engage in meaningful conversations. 3. Show confidence. Maintain good posture and make eye contact. Confidence can be very appealing. 4. Find common interests. Discover shared hobbies or topics and engage in them together. 5. Compliment sincerely. A genuine compliment can go a long way. Focus on something specific that you admire about them. 6. Be supportive. Focus on building a genuine connection and let things develop naturally. Show interest in their goals and passions and be a good friend. Offer encouragement and be a good friend. 7. Sense of humor. Lighthearted jokes and laughter can create a fun atmosphere. 8. Be thoughtful. Small gestures, like remembering details from previous conversations, can show you care. 9. Dress well. Put effort into your appearance to feel more confident in. Show you care about how you present yourself. 10. Respect their space. Give them room to breathe and don't be overly aggressive. Respecting boundaries is key. 11. Make eye contact. Shows interest and confidence. Maintain good posture. Stand tall to exude confidence. Listen actively. Show that you value their opinions. Maintain good hygiene. Cleanliness is attractive. Be kind and respectful. Treat them and others around you with kindness. This reflects well on you. Stay positive. A positive attitude can be infectious and attractive. Be adventurous. Suggest fun activities or outings. Trying something new together can create memorable experiences. Keep it real. Do your best in school or work. Hang out with good people. Show your creative sides. Copy their actions so you seem compatible with them.